All right, before we get in the video, if you want to make $25 in an Amazon gift card, all you need to do is like this video, screenshot it, shoot me a DM at my Instagram at @EricAnthonyWinkler, and next week, in the next video, I'm really going to pick a random person, and boom, I will send you a $25 gift card to Amazon. So, do it. Let's get in the video. Welcome to my house. This is MTV Cribs. Just kidding, but welcome to my $1.3 million condo I bought in Miami, Florida. So, JP, walk on in. Show people this nice, lovely mess. We're getting ready for my housewarming and my birthday. So this is the den. There's gonna be a nice couch in here. Show them the nice TV. So eventually they'll be chilling here, watching a little Netflix, you know, a little Netflix and chill action. So then we're gonna go down the hallway. So this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, ridiculously 4 full baths, because if you look in here, there's a shower in here, which honestly, you don't need another shower, but as a homeowner, I feel like it's just more expensive, but it is nice for when I have guests. So this is the guest wing side of the house. So you've got 2 bedrooms over here, one with a attached bathroom and one without an attached bathroom. Everything's wraparound balcony, which I'll show you in a second. But my favorite thing is I got my desk over there that came all the way from Los Angeles, and that's pretty much the only piece. Everything else I had to sell, and I just bought a bunch of new stuff. So let's turn back around, and we'll take them down the main route right here. So this is my favorite part, because when you walk down, you get a real picturesque view of all of Miami and Brickell. So my realtor was showing me a bunch of like 2 bedrooms and 1 bedrooms, and I was just like, I like them. But the biggest thing is that I wanted space for when my friends and family came to visit. And then I was just like, all right, well, let me check out the 3-bedroom. And I saw this view and I was sold. So it was a little bit hard not to. Plus, if you walk with me into the kitchen, this is the biggest kitchen of all the units at my building. And I love to cook. I don't know how long you've been following me, but I absolutely love to cook. I've been doing it since I was young. I had a catering company and whatnot. So the fact that I have a giant kitchen again is amazing, because my spot in LA was like this big, very tiny little kitchen. So super grateful for this. And you got the bar stools right here, so that way people can watch. So expect some more food content coming. And if you do follow me on Instagram, you know that I love my alkaline water. So this thing is alkaline water delivery from Miami, like Coconut Grove or something, and boom, this thing is a necessity. So with that, let's check out the balcony. You got the low profile couch, no TV, because you want to enjoy the view. Check out this view. You probably recognize this from a lot of other videos. So one of the main reasons why I also bought this 3-bedroom is because it's southern and western facing, which means that in the northern hemisphere, it actually gets a lot of natural light through these beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows, and western facing means it's going to get a really nice sunset. Plus, they're building a massive building, which I'll show you in a second, over on the other side, which honestly would have totally obstructed my view. And so the biggest thing that I love as a homeowner with a 3-bedroom place is that my friends and family can come to visit anytime they want. They can crash at these places. They literally can crash in the den eventually when I have a couch in there. So it's just a really nice way to just spend time with my family and friends all the way on the East Coast. So let me show you that building, and then we'll go back inside. So this monstrosity right here is what they've been building, and honestly it's been kind of cool watching it go up because it doesn't obstruct my view. But I think Microsoft and Amazon and some other like big tech companies are going in there, which is cool to see on the East Coast, because I'm from California originally and you really wouldn't expect that. So JP, show them the view. Boom, and now we're in the vault for the speakeasy housewarming party. Let's do this. Obviously, we had a great time, and honestly, if you want to see the rest of all the things that happened that weekend, follow on my Instagram, because we made a bunch of reels of just showing the lifestyle of everything that goes on in Miami. And I know I've been sharing a lot of lifestyle content on this channel, but I have a lot of value add content coming about life advice to build more money, more confidence, all those things. So if you want to see that, make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram for more, and I'll see you in the next video.